Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is day number 22 of the Advent calendar that Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I are each doing together. We each sent one another 8 gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, which made it perfect for an Advent calendar. I can't believe the nice items I have received. Ladies, I cannot thank you enough. I am over the moon with these items. Let's reach in and get one more. Look how empty my jar is. We're almost to Christmas. I can't believe it. Okay, this is the last one from J Dolls UK. Let's open it up and see what I did get. Oh, I love this paper. I've been trying to save the papers to reuse them. I send out a lot of Happy Mail with little pieces to it. So of course I'm trying to save this paper. Okay, last one from J Dolls UK. What is it? Oh, how cute is that? It's crocheted. Oh my. Oh my. Look at this bag. Look how this is constructed. See that stitch? That's a fancy crochet stitch that really takes some time. And then up top, she did the half stitch. Oh God, that's gorgeous. And not only is it cute, it's functional. Thank you so much, Jay. Jay made 3 crocheted items for me. I just can't thank you enough in this darling skirt. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go to each of the other 3 channels and see what they got today. You never know, it might be from me.